Sub-Zero Group is a manufacturer of luxury appliances.
Graco specializes in fluid handling equipment.
Daikin Applied is a leader in the design and manufacture of commercial and industrial HVAC systems.
Any request that comes in for a 3D printed part comes to us, and then we distribute that work globally. We use multiple 3D printing technologies. We have FDM, we have SL, and we have photopolymer machines.
We run them hard. Those machines never shut off. We're in there Saturdays and Sundays changing them over because we need the machine time, we need the throughput. They're made extremely well. I just look at that Fortis 900 that we have, and that thing's just solid, rock solid machine.
One of the things we anticipate with these new composite materials is being able to have a more robust functional part. Being able to print out something that's strong enough where we can test it out and make sure that it works in the field.
Having a wide variety of material options available that are all easy to use, quick turnaround parts meets a lot of these different needs and goals that we have.
We're always trying to ideate faster and get to market faster. Submit a part today, come back tomorrow and have a functional prototype in hand.
This part takes about 2 days to print. That's just print time on the machine. I only need to hit go, come back after 2 days, and it will be finished.
We print a lot of housings and a lot of big parts. The nice thing, the large bed, we can fit those without cutting and gluing. You can put a big part in a big machine, but you can't put it in a small machine.
The biggest thing with having the 770 in the lab is that we're going to be able to keep bigger parts in-house. Probably 30-40% in savings for us to keep it in-house, which is huge.
This part printed on the Stratasys F770 for about $500 compared to $8,000 conventional machining.
With the new 370CR, the changeover process to the carbon fiber, the composite materials, is going to be very quick and easy. Just the whole process is going to be a lot simpler for getting functional parts.
For us at Whirlpool, I can't imagine not having 3D printing. We've been using Stratasys machines for over 20 years. I'm definitely a fan of Stratasys.
The Graco Rapid Prototype 3D Lab is extremely excited to use this new Stratasys equipment.
Stratasys is a leader in 3D printing, which aligns with the commitment of Daikin to align with leading partners.
I really don't know where we'd be without them.